welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a diamonds and pearls wedding centerpiece and setup. Here we go. Today I have another request from you guys. You guys voted and you guys wanted me to make a diamonds and pearls setup, and here's my version of it. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the very first thing I'm going to do is put my vase together, and I'm going to start working at the bottom of my vase, which is going to consist of a round pillar candle holder from Walmart, a Pilsner cup from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be filling the vase with decorative fillers from Michaels. And as you can see here, the colors are in a pearl color, a little bit of gray, and this one is a peachy color, and of course here you have the diamonds. I am very sorry to say that I am not going to be making the Christmas / diamonds and pearls that some of you guys wanted, but I'm thinking that I'm still gonna make it, but not for this project. I actually got inspired by some inventory that I got from Totally Dazzle, which is in a rose gold, and I was so excited to put those two together, so I hope you like. All right, so let's start putting this together. So I'm going to go ahead and fill my cup all the way up. Now I'm going to add E6000 to the rim of the cup, and then I'm going to place my pillar candle holder right on top. Next, I'm going to be adding some diamonds and pearls inside my tea light candle holders. I'm going to add E6000 to the inner area of my second tea light candle holder. Now I'm going to glue this part right on top of here. Now I'm gonna let it dry for about an hour, and then I'm gonna go ahead and glue my second Pilsner cup right on top. Now I'm going to glue on my large pillar candle holder right on top of my vase. This one is actually from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use my hot glue gun. I'm going to start my arrangement by using these beautiful hydrangeas from Michaels. These are actually two different types of hydrangeas. They are both ivory, but this one is a little lighter than this one. I actually bought this one first, and I thought I was buying the same one, and he wasn't. But God is good. I actually like it this way better. So if I mix them up, look at that, highlights, perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting these, and I'm going to cut them about 5 inches long, and I'm going to start at my 4 points, which are the front, back, and sides. Now I'm going to add my darker hydrangeas in between my lighter hydrangeas. One single hydrangea to the middle of my arrangement to guide me on how tall I want it to be, and this is about 6 inches long. I'm going to start my second layer of my lighter hydrangeas in between the dark hydrangeas and the light hydrangeas, so right on here. And yep, now I'm going to add my darker ones in between the lighter ones. And now I'm just going to do the same to the last row on top. Well, I didn't want it to be perfectly round. I wanted it to have different dimensions. So I'm just going to go ahead and start pulling and pushing or nipping and tucking, as I say. Now I'm going to add this beautiful bouquet of ivory roses from Michaels. This bouquet was 10 bucks and they were 50% off, so I only paid 5 bucks and they were well worth it. Look how pretty they are. And I'm going to be cutting them in different sizes. I'm going to be making some in 6 inches because I want some of them to stick out a bit. And then I'm going to add some that are going to be probably 4 to 3 inches so I can hide some of the floral foam at the bottom. Next, I'm going to add this beautiful rose gold flower rhinestone pearl brooch from Totally Dazzle. Oh my gosh, guys, I wish I had known that I had to do this project prior to ordering the brooch because they have such a great selection of brooches and buttons, and I would have ordered a little bigger. But since I'm in love with this brooch, I'm gonna go ahead and use it anyway. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of hot glue to the back of the brooch and place it right in the middle of my vase. And to finish up the look, I'm going to be hanging pearls and hanging crystals to the arrangement. So I wanted to give you a close-up to the middle of my vase because I made a couple of changes to the brooch. I ended up pulling the back of it off because it was sticking out a little bit and it was bothering me a lot. So I ended up pulling the back off and now it is flat. And I also added a strip of pearls and now it looks perfect. Okay guys, this is it. This is my rose gold diamonds and pearls wedding centerpiece. And oh my gosh guys, I am not kidding. This centerpiece is absolutely glamorous. I really do hope that it translates in video as it looks in person because oh my gosh, it is outstanding. And the rose gold brooch totally polished the look. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right now. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my diamonds and pearls wedding centerpiece, and leave me a comment anyway because you know I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that's getting married soon, make sure to share it with them at the end of this video because you'll be able to save them $1 or $2. All right guys, until next time, bye.